food. The president of South Africa was in a restaurant. There are many people, many persons gathering in front of him, but a single person was eating in front of him. A single person was single in his chair. Then Nelson Mandela said to him that come to my table and eat with me. When the single person who was single and single eating come to the dining table of Nelson Mandela, he started eating. It is proud moment for him because he was in under of president. He was eating in front of president. But when the man who was single and he was eating in front of president, he was in fear. The person was in fear. After eating, when the person who was single, where the person was gone, then Nelson Mandela's helpers, then Nelson Mandela's administratives asked him, sir, when the person was single and eating, then he was fine. He was eating without hesitation. He was enjoying the moment. But when the person come to your dining table, he became fearless. Or he became like a child and looks like a fearful person. Then Nelson Mandela asked that when I was in jail, because Nelson Mandela stayed 28 years in a single jail. Nelson Mandela asked that when I was in jail, that time he was the jailer. The single person who was eating in front of Nelson Mandela, that he was jailer of the jail. The person was jailer of the jail, and because I am a prisoner, Nelson Mandela was a prisoner. So the jailer kept me lots of time, scolded me, hit me, beat me, everything. What is possible? He did. Because he was jailer and I was a prisoner. And the ex-jailer, because the ex-jailer was thinking that now I am President of South Africa and he was only a simple jailer, and she was thinking that I was doing the same thing. I did the same thing that he did against me. But Nelson Mandela became the President of South Africa for change, not for revenge. Nelson Mandela became the President of South Africa for the change, not for the revenge. That was Nelson Mandela. And you are also from the same nation, because you are all from country of South Africa. You are neighborhood from South Africa. You are country of subcontinent of South Africa. So the message from Nelson Mandela: time of change, time of friendship, time of love, not time of revenge. So this is my message to all the Ghana bro. This is my message to all of bro from Ghana. And many congratulations that your team won the first prize. It is a matter of pride for also to the committee, because first time in our history that foreigner players have come and play lots of skill. So many congratulations, many thanks to all the participant team, 32 team, and especially the player of Maliapur, and especially the player of Lugubaba, and especially the player of Ghana. बहुत धन्यवाद, सभी को शुभकामनाएं।